Congratulations to our good friend Hilaire and Nadia Surinx Pletsers for winning second and third national on the race of Bourges, young birds. First national race, young birds. Here Hilaire is showing his second national, 148. This hen just only missed the first national by a few seconds. 3 seconds. A half brother of this pigeon won on the national race of Tulle, the 19th national, second provincial, born out of the same father. Today, same day. And other children of the father already raced really well, winning first interprovincial La Ferté. Exceptional results. The mother of this pigeon is the sister of Sunshine, which won the third national ace pigeon KBDB, short middle distance, and is born out of a super couple because another sister of the mother won first provincial Melun against more than 7,000 birds. The mother is a strain of Superbonen, base breeder at Hilaire and Nadia's loft, and also Herbot's blood in it. So
Golden Driesje.
Golden Driesje. So an exceptional day, winning second national, third national, national race of Bourges, as well as 19th national Tulle. So big congratulations, and we wish you, of course, good luck during the rest of the season.
Thank you, Peter Jan. Also, Philip.